What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to we're going to put together the Quickjacks setup that I got for the Supra because I'm sick of using jack stands and a jack. This seems safer, I think, hopefully. So we're gonna put this together and then get the Supra up in the air. Maybe a little surprise coming in the next video. Ready, go. So, yeah, I want to get the Supra up in the air. I got control arm bushings in this box, new starter, three new coils for the ignition because I replaced 3 earlier and now I'm just replacing the other 3. New steering rack, tie rod ends, got a lot of work to do. But this video is strictly going to be on Quickjacks and setting them up and using them, I guess. I don't know. Apparently it takes training fluid and the pump. So let's get it set up and go from there. These are packed surprisingly well. So this is everything you get with the kit. You get your 2 Quickjacks, your pump, some hoses, 4 3-inch blocks, 4 2-inch blocks, 2 handles, a bunch of fittings. Is this Loctite? Thread sealant, and then a manual. So I'm gonna put it all together, follow the manual, and let's see if we can get the car up in there. is actually a lot of work. So I got the short lines on. I screwed up at first and put the wrong fittings on there. Got the long hoses done. Now they're saying I gotta push this valve in. Maybe. Nope, that's just a cap. Okay. Just kidding. Ooh. Okay, do that. Not 100% sure what that's for. Go to this side. Same thing. Okay, then I think I actually have to hook up the air compressor and pressurize the those cylinders. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm not gonna bore you guys anymore with that stuff. I'll show you hooking it all up once I get the rest of the fittings on and then raising the car up. All right guys, so a little sweaty. We got the Quickjacks bled set up, ready to go. So without further ado, let's see what happens. Alright, so let's check everything. So that's on the pinch weld there. It's on the pinch weld there on the lift points. Let's check over here. Yeah, we're on the pinch weld there. And we're on the pinch weld there. Alright. Let's see how high this thing goes. So far, so good. That's the first lock. I think there's only two. That is really coming forward. All right, that's it. It's up in the air. All right, well, let's see here. So for an example, using one of these jack stands, it's maybe an inch or two higher on the very highest unsafe setting on a jack stand. So that is significantly higher. Oh, that is significantly higher than just on jack stands. So that's pretty sweet. Yeah, pretty happy with that. It does move the car forward a good bit. So that was pretty close to the garage door. So you could see right here where it's at. Let's go. Let's put it back down. I think to put it down, you actually have to. There we go. You just have to kick those up. All right. Kick that up. Let's go down. Okay. It's not bad. I didn't really like the way it picked it up, so I'm just trying to reposition it tad different. Okay, let's see. About there. Oh, and see how close that is now? And I probably still have more room to go back. But let's check this side. I didn't really like where this one was. Alright. And this side. Alright, let's go up now. Get it on the first lock. That one seemed like it was going up a tad sideways. I didn't really like that. Blocks are basically in the same spot. So let's keep going. Alright, so I bet you I don't have my tape measure. Nope. Let's see. I know I have another measuring tool in here. Here we go. So do this. Come on. There we go. Alright, this roller goes up to 16 inches. So right there's 16 inches. So it goes up about 18 inches. It's not bad. So I'd say overall, I'm really pleased with how this whole thing works. Nothing seems to be leaking. At least nothing that I found. Might have to figure out something better with the hydraulic, well, excuse me, with the hydraulic lines. Can't really put them the other way because then it would lift it backwards. I think this looks good. It looks right. So just the tire right there was hitting it. So yeah. Alright guys, well that's going to be it for this video. I'm going to put the car back down on the ground, leave the Quickjacks where they are, and disconnect everything and put it away till I'm ready to pull the tranny out of the car this Sunday. You may have caught a glimpse of why I'm pulling the transmission out. That should all be done relatively soon, hopefully. But yeah, so appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, leave me some comments, and appreciate you guys watching. See you in the next one.